everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today hope you're all doing well, guys. So today, without wasting much of your time, we're making carrot ginger juice. Yeah, you heard me. Carrot ginger juice is a very healthy juice. So I'll be showing you the things I'll be using for our carrot ginger juice. So guys, that's my carrots. We're making use of carrots, so that is it. And you know that carrot has many health benefits. Like, the first thing you should know is that carrot helps your skin to bloom. Like, if you're a lady, you are aging, please make sure you eat carrot very well. As a man, it helps to prevent prostate cancer that is very common in men. So you check my description box and you will see the benefits. Then that's ginger. As we all know, it helps in weight loss. Even carrot as well helps in weight loss. So that's my ginger. Making use of ginger, just this 1.5. Then guys, another thing I'll be using is orange juice. I will cut the orange, I'll wash it, cut it, then extract the juice. Then that's my honey. Honey is also very beneficial. Like, it has health benefits. So you see it in my description box. Please make sure you check. Then this is my cinnamon powder. It helps also to reduce fats. Please make sure you check my description box. So that's what I'll be using for this ginger garlic. What am I saying? I'll be using all this for the carrot ginger juice. So as you can see, I'm scraping the back of the ginger. I will do the same with I'm scraping the back of the carrot. I will do the same with the ginger. So after scraping the back, I'll wash it very well and start making my juice. Sit back, relax, don't get anywhere. Make sure you watch till the end. And please guys, make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment. Please support your girl. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. So guys, I'm done scraping the back of the carrots and the ginger. So I'll wash them very well. As you can see, after washing, I'll cut them into smaller sizes and I'll set it aside for blending. Then my oranges, I'll cut them and squeeze out the juice. I'll extract the juice from it. You'll see the way I will do it. So guys, keep watching. Make sure you watch till the end. It's a very healthy juice. Adding half teaspoon of the cinnamon. So I've added it. You can get cinnamon anywhere. All these people that are selling weight loss stuff, they have cinnamon. This one is the blended one. So that is it. Then our honey, I'll be adding our honey. I've added our honey. But the last but not the least, our juice. Add it. So guys, time to blend. We are done blending, so let me remove the chaff. Let me extract the juice now. Nice, that's our carrot ginger juice. We are done. Very healthy. Make sure you try it. Very easy to make. If you don't have cinnamon, it's not an excuse. It's not by force. It's not a must. Just even if you don't want to add honey, it's your choice. Just make use of what you have. But I like putting honey in it because honey has its own benefits. So that is it. On it. It looks like Fanta. So if you are watching your weight, this is our own Fanta. I will do our own Coke one day. So it's not a must to go and drink Fanta. So this is our Fanta here. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Guys, see you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you comment. Support my channel, please. Support your dear Chioma. Please support this channel to grow. Thanks very much. Yeah, this will be put inside the fridge. So guys, bye. So guys, thank you for stopping by to watch this video. See you in my next video. Bye.